How to protect retirement funds with a Gold IRA rollover. As retirement approaches, safeguarding your financial future becomes essential. One of the most effective ways to protect your retirement savings is by diversifying your portfolio with a Gold IRA rollover. This strategy allows you to convert your existing retirement funds into physical gold or other precious metals, providing a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how you can protect your retirement funds with a Gold IRA rollover. What is a Gold IRA rollover? A Gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that holds physical gold, silver, platinum, or palladium instead of traditional assets like stocks or bonds. A rollover involves transferring funds from an existing retirement account, like a 401k or IRA, into a Gold IRA, enabling you to invest in precious metals. Why consider a Gold IRA rollover? 1. Hedge against inflation. Gold has historically retained its value during inflationary periods, making it a reliable store of wealth. As inflation rises, the purchasing power of paper currency decreases, while gold tends to appreciate, helping protect your savings. 2. Diversification. A Gold IRA adds a layer of diversification to your retirement portfolio. Precious metals often have low correlation with stocks and bonds, reducing the overall risk exposure to market fluctuations. 3. Protection from market volatility. Economic downturns can lead to significant losses in traditional assets. Gold, on the other hand, acts as a safe haven, maintaining its value during periods of high market volatility. 4. Tax benefits. Like other IRAs, a Gold IRA offers tax advantages. Contributions may be tax-deductible, traditional IRA, or withdrawals tax-free, Roth IRA, allowing your investment to grow without immediate tax implications. Steps to execute a Gold IRA rollover. 1. Choose a custodian. Select a reputable custodian that specializes in gold IRAs. They will handle the rollover process and ensure that your investments comply with IRS regulations. 2. Initiate the rollover. Contact your current retirement plan administrator to transfer your funds into the Gold IRA. You can opt for a direct rollover, where funds are transferred directly to the new account. 3. Select precious metals. Work with your custodian to choose the gold or other precious metals that meet IRS requirements, usually 99.5% purity for gold. 4. Store your gold. Gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Your custodian will arrange for the secure storage of your assets. Considerations and risks. While a Gold IRA can provide security, there are some risks. Fees. Gold IRAs typically come with higher fees for setup, storage, and management. Liquidity. Gold is less liquid than stocks and bonds, and selling it may take time. Regulatory compliance. Ensure that all IRS regulations are followed to avoid penalties. A Gold IRA rollover can be an excellent way to protect your retirement funds from inflation and market volatility. By diversifying into precious metals, you can add stability and security to your financial future. However, it is important to understand the costs, regulations, and risks involved before making the move. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.